everyone, it's Lou, and for today's video, yes, we have another Girl Talk episode, and for today, we are going to talk about finances. We are going to talk about money. So ever since we started talking about adulting things dito sa ating Girl Talk series, may mga nagbe-message sa akin na gawa daw ako ng video about finances. So here it is. So even though you did not request for this video, I hope you will watch the video and you will stay with me para magkaroon ka rin ng idea kung paano mag-handle ng finances pag nasa adulting world na, okay? So first, we're gonna talk about my income. So I get my income from YouTube earnings, from brand collaborations, from my business, and from my investments. So we have those four, and honestly, to be transparent with you guys, kaming mga content creator, wala kaming steady salary for a month. Like, wala kaming fixed income per month. Wala. May mga months na sobrang laki ng income ko, and meron ding mga months na halos konti na hindi niya mapuna ng aking mga basic needs, mga expenses ko. Pero ayan, just to give you guys an overview. So, how I budget my funds. So, hinahati ko yung income ko by percentage. So, meron akong 40% for my needs and wants. Ito na yung aking disposable income. So, ito na yung perang pwede ko lang gastusin sa lahat ng expenses, bills, groceries, donations, and all. Ando na yon. Tsaka yung mga gusto kong bilhin na kung anes-anes. Ando na yun, online shopping and all. And I have 50% for my savings. Ayun yung tinatabi ko na talaga. And 10% for my investments. So, yung pagkaka-budget ko, para sa akin lang yun, okay? It differs per person. Depende sa situation mo, depende sa priority mo, responsibilities mo, and all. Nasa yun. It varies per person. Pero I started using this ratio since January this year, kung saan naging tutok talaga ako sa finances ko. Sa totoo lang, ngayong year lang ako naging seryoso sa finances ko. So, ever since January, ginagamit ko na yung percentage na yon, yung 40, 50, 10, and it works for me. And to be honest, sobrang daming beses ko nang inulit or iniba yung percentages na yun. So, it really depends sa kung ano yung situation mo ngayon. Also, I will highly suggest to magtabi kayo ng percentage for your emergency fund. So, emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of your average expenses. So, ang pera na ito ay para sa mga emergency. Hindi naman sa nagsasabing baka may emergency. Pero for example, this pandemic, yung COVID, dati hesitant akong mag-open ng emergency fund. Kasi inisip ko, may savings naman ako, may pagkukunan naman ako in case na magka-emergency, ganyan. But, COVID happened, yes, and nagsara lahat ng brands and agencies. Hindi naman nagsara, pero, nag-stop lahat ng trabaho for us, for me, and wala akong new work, wala akong receivables, wala akong masingil and all. So, wala talaga akong income, okay? At dahil wala akong emergency fund, nagalaw ko ang aking savings. Yes. So, nung nag-start na ako ulit kumita, I really said to myself na kailangan kong magbuo ng emergency fund. And ngayon, nabuo ko na siya. Yes. Binawas ko siya dun sa 50% savings ko. Ginawa kong 10% emergency fund, 40% savings. Ganon. And think about emergency fund as an investment, okay? Hindi siya expense. It's an investment kasi magagamit mo siya in the future. So, let's talk about investments. So, ayun, nasabi ko na nga sa inyo na meron akong emergency fund, diba? Kino-consider ko siya as an investment. Meron din akong business, yung Switchcraft ko, yung mga scrapbooking stickers, things, mga stationery, ganon. But honestly, hindi pa ako kumikita doon because pinipili kong hindi kunin yung part ko. Like, kung ano yung kita ng Switchcraft, sa kanya lang yon, hindi ko pa kinukuha yung part ko because I wanted to really mapaikot yung pera and mapadami yung stocks ko, kaya mabilis dumami yung stocks ko. And as of now, okay naman ako sa ganong setup. Hindi ko pa naman kailangan kumuha ng pera kay Switchcraft. So, hindi ko muna ginagalaw. Pinapalago ko muna siya. I also have my life insurance, and I'm also planning to open a Pag-ibig MP2. Though, wala pa ako masyadong alam sa MP2, sa totoo lang. But, meron kasing MP2 yung mom and dad ko, and ako yung nagbabayad ng MP2 nila. So, inisip ko, might as well, mag-open na lang din ako at isabay ko na yung payment kapag nagpe-payment sila, di ba? So, wala pa ako masyadong alam sa MP2. Nagsusearch pa ako, nagsasali pa ako sa mga Facebook groups, ganon. Pero, plano ko rin yun. And this may sound weird and funny, but I'm really planning to buy a funeral plan. Yes, hindi naman sa pagiging negative, pero na-witness ko kasi kung gaano ka-importante yung funeral plan. when my lola died sa father's side ko, wala siyang funeral plan. So, from the hospital to the funeral home, pumunta kami. Pagpunta namin doon, wala kaming funeral plan. So, nagbayad yung parents ko ng mga more or less 100,000. Yes, malaki yun, 100,000. Saan mo kukunin yung 100,000? So, ang laki nang nabawa sa savings ng parents ko back then. And then, when my lolo died sa mother's side, meron siyang funeral plan na binili for him 3 years prior. So, yung ginastos lang sa funeral plan nung lolo ko ay 31,000. Yun yung binili 3 years ago. So, ang laki ng difference, 31,000 and 100,000, di ba? And, ang funeral plan, pamahal yan ng pamahal. Para yung lupa, okay? So, ayan, pinag-iisipan ko, kuha ko ng ganon. And fifth one, I also have investments sa aking funds sa GInvest. So, I'm very excited to share with you about GInvest because I super love it so much. Okay, so GInvest is a platform inside GCash app. So, I know you guys are aware kung ano yung GCash app, no? So, meron na silang bago yung GInvest. Ayan yung logo niya. So, I am very interested to invest sa mga funds but I don't really know where to start. Like, napag-aralan namin siya sa school and all. But, you know, I don't know where to start. Parang sobrang complicated niya. And then, come GInvest. Napanood ko siya sa TikTok. Ang daming nag-share sa TikTok about GInvest, yung mga review nila about doon. So, naengganyo akong itry. Kasi for 50 pesos, makakapag-start ka na mag-invest sa local funds and 1,000 pesos sa international funds. Like, sis, 50 pesos and 1,000 pesos. Makakapag-invest ka na. So, inopen ko yung GCash app ko and I went straight to GInvest. So, to get started, may sasagutan kang personal data sheet about yourself, you know, very personal nga. And meron ding risk assessment and doon mo malalaman kung pagdating ba sa funds, ikaw ay conservative, moderate, or aggressive na risk taker. So, sinagutan ko yun and it turns out ako ay isang moderate risk taker. So, if you guys have an idea about funds, ito yung may sinasabi silang high risk, high reward. Parang ganon. So, ito yung risk assessment na yun. So, if you're conservative, parang hindi ka ready mag-risk ng malaki pagdating sa mga funds mo. If you're moderate, you know, okay lang na aggressive and okay lang din na conservative. Yung parang nasa middle ka lang. Like me, nasa middle lang ako, nasa moderate lang ako. Like, hindi ako ready maging aggressive pagdating sa mga funds, pero hindi rin naman ako super conservative. So, ayun, andun na ako sa gitna. And then, we have aggressive. Kung aggressive ka, ready kang i-risk ang iyong money for a higher return. So, I have my GCash app right here. Papakita ko sa inyo dyan sa screen. And kung first time mo lang itong bubuksan, of course, sasagutan mo yung personal data and yung risk assessment, no? So, after nun, pwede ka na mag-order. So, nag-order muna ako ng 500 pesos for local funds and yung in-order ko ay yung Atram Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. So, doon ako nag-start. And actually, nag-add pa ako ng 1,500 pesos and then I started investing doon sa Atram Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. Yes! Kapag nag-order ka, you have to wait for 3 to 5 days for them to confirm your order. And then kapag confirm na, mag-email sila sa iyo with a certificate of participation. Yes, naka-receive ako ng certificate of participation from Atram kung ilang units of funds yung nabili ko, kung magkano and all. Ayun, parang katunayan na meron kang investment sa kanila. So, if you order under GInvest, meron kang pwedeng pagpilian na 5 different products. We have the Money Market Fund, the Philippine Total Return Bond Fund, we have the Philippine Smart Equity Index Fund, we have the Global Technology Feeder Fund, and the Global Consumer Trends Fund. Yes, it's a lot and medyo nakakalula. Kahit ako nung una nalula din ako, kaya sumali ako sa webinar ng GCash about GInvest. And if you're looking for more information about GInvest, punta kayo dun sa webinar. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. But anyway, I'll try to explain this to you guys as simple as possible. So first, we have the Money Market Fund. Under this, we have the money market, short-term cash deposits, and time deposit. Under Philippine Total Return Bond Fund, we have Metrobank, SMPH, and Ayala. Ito yung mga sample ng mga companies na mapag-i-investan nyo kapag nag-invest kayo sa specific product na ito. Next, we have the Philippine Smart Equity Index Fund. Under this, we have SMIC, BPI, BDO, and Ayala. Next, we have the Global Technology Feeder Fund, Global Technology. So, this covers Apple, Samsung, Google, and yung mga ibang companies pa na related sa technology kasi nga global technology siya, you know. And then we have Global Consumer Trends Fund. Under this, ito yung Amazon, Alibaba, Shopee, Nintendo, and all. Okay, it's a lot. Yes, I know, I'm so sorry. But, ayun, after mo mag-order, magwi-wait ka ng 3 to 5 days for confirmation and then mag-send sila ng email sa'yo. Katulad nung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina kung paano sila nag-email sa akin. And then, ayun na, nakapag-invest ka na. Yes, super dali lang guys, as in super dali, ilang clicks lang yon. Wala pang 50 clicks, nakapag-order ka na, nakapag-invest ka na sa funds. And 50 pesos for local funds, 1,000 pesos for international funds, like sis, yung ipang online shopping ko, nilalagay ko pa dun sa GInvest. Yes. Yes, kahit na meron akong 10% intended for investment sa aking income, dinadagdagan ko pa rin siya, sis. Ayun. Syempre, you have to nurture. Kailangan mong alagaan ang iyong investment. Kailangan mo siyang bantayan. Kailangan mo siyang dagdagan ng atensyon at funds. Yes, para lumaki ng lumaki yung investment mo. And after a month of using GInvest, I can really tell that this is something that I can use in the long run. Kasi sobrang dali eh, you know. Since meron na akong account, kailangan ko na lang siyang i-monitor at magdagdag ng funds every month or kung kailan ko gusto. Sobrang dali and sila na bahala sa funds mo. Sis. And you guys know, I love traveling, diba? So ngayon, madami pa tayong restrictions pagdating sa traveling and I'm also grateful actually na may mga restriction pa sa traveling ngayon kasi para safe and then, you know, para meron pa akong time mapag-ipunan ng aking travel fund. Yes, my investment sa GInvest, dedicated talaga siya sa travel fund. Yes. Woo! So exciting, no? Kung pwede na makapag-Siargao, pag-Bora and Palawan and all. But ayun, when the time comes na pwede na mag-travel ulit at kailangan ko ng travel fund, I can get my investment from GInvest at ayun ang gagamitin ko ng travel fund. You know, making your money grow nang wala ka masyadong effort. And also, comparing this to my investment sa business ko, yung Switchcraft ko kasi super physical niya, di ba? Like one-man brand ako. Ako yung nagsusource, ako yung nagpapak, ako yung nag-inventory and all. That's very physical. And saktong-sakto yung GInvest kasi I am looking for something, I'm looking for an investment that doesn't really require a lot of effort. And yes, GInvest is perfect for me. So if you guys have more questions about GInvest na hindi ko nasagot sa video na to, you can head doon sa aming webinar na ginawa namin with GCash para masagot ang inyong mga tanong at magkaroon pa kayo ng idea about GInvest. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, please leave them down below and I will see you on my next one. Bye!